Word up, you know? I rose dolo, state to state, ha. Word up, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those getting it like I get it. That's all y'all niggas be saying.
You already know I gotta let it be known. Coming with that consistency. Can't talk about it, gotta be about it. And once again, no surprise, about to show and prove. Y'all already know, by now I'm gonna show my work, gonna show the process, gonna demonstrate I'm competent, both artistically, technically, and go ahead and give me that financially. And if you don't already know, that Patreon is on deck. And of course, most need to apply, because the game is sold, not told, baby. Hand me them buckety bucks. I think it's obvious that I know what I'm doing. I digress. You see it, something you may not have seen before from me, but definitely glad I can demonstrate to y'all another form of detailing or another hurdle in the road on my way to excellence. See, the road to excellence, of course, involves a skill, but is you really trying to master it? Or might you be another Mr. Rinse and Repeat, rocking out, doing the same old two-step, not facing your fears, no expansion, not paying it forward, and like a large percentage of business owners, period, no damn employees. With that said, I'm gonna give you this quote. The end of your comfort zone is the start of your life. You start to get comfortable after you get it right. Remember that. If you're not pushing yourself, you just made another job. Over here, like Confucius said, find a job you love and you'll never work a day in your life. The boy was right, but you gotta do that yourself. You're gonna have to find your own drive and motivate your damn self. I just can't stop, won't stop, trying to master the skill of mobile detailing. Every added skill I pick up is a money maker and put me closer to excellence. How to face your fears, become good at anything you can integrate in your business. Unless you're a niche detailer, I advise you practice this craft daily, or like I said, and will keep saying, if some of you want the fast track shortcut, holla at me on Patreon at Disgusting Detail, offering my services and helping others collect wins. Of course, Camden was good. All y'all, let's get it.